In this video, we're going to show you what $700 gets you in Medellin, Colombia, and we'll give you a full tour of our new apartment. Can I help you? Housekeeping?
No, we're gonna see your apartment.
Hola, welcome to my crib. We'll give you a full tour of the apartment. We got this, what was it, 4 or 5 months ago? And this is located about 50 minutes outside of Medellin. So it's not too far away, but it's still pretty accessible to the city. But yeah, we decided to move away from Medellin 5 months ago. It was just really noisy. We wanted some more peace and quiet. And as you can see, this place is like in the middle of nowhere on top of a mountain. So we have plenty of peace and quiet. The best thing about this place is the view. It's beautiful. And we can open these doors. It doesn't have a balcony, but we can open these fully, so it's kind of like a balcony. And yeah, you get this amazing view. You feel like you're in the mountain, and then also you get this really nice view over there too. So it's kind of like a balcony. Living room, balcony. Kind of a cool space, how it's like all in one living room. You have the kitchen right there, and you have like this amazing view out here. So you can like be cooking, or you can be cooking dinner and chopping your things with this amazing view. Yeah, it's just basic kitchen. Open. And then you have the laundry room right here. Washer.
We don't have a dryer.
No dryer. In Medellin, it's not common, and you really don't need one. And we save a lot on like gas, electricity by not having a dryer. Our utilities run about $100 a month with water, electricity, gas, everything. So all in all, it's $800 per month. $700 is what the rent is, and about $100 per month for utilities.
It could be less, but we use a lot the chimney.
Yeah, because it does get very, very cold here at night.
You can turn it on.
Yeah, it gets pretty cold here at night, so we're always turning this on every night. It gets down to about 55, I would say, at night.
Yeah.
So you definitely need like a jacket at night and in the morning. And then we'll go to the office. We have a bathroom in here, second bathroom. And then we have the office, just basic, where we get all our work done.
And the balcony.
Balcony over here. Got Jose down there.
So we wanted to get a house with a yard. We couldn't get it.
Yeah, we were gonna get a house in Retiro. So more about the location of this place. It's located in El Retiro, which is about 45, 50 minutes away from Medellin. It's really a pretty small town. We should do a video there.
Yeah.
Of the town. It's really pretty small town. Jano is really nice. That's where all like the most wealthy people live. That's where J Balvin lives. That's where Uribe, the ex-president, like all the wealthiest people in Colombia, or at least in Antioquia region. That's where they live, is Jano, Retiro. And then all the narcos live down in like Copacabana. Because we were gonna get a house in Copacabana, but we had a lot of people tell us that's where all the narcos live, and it probably is not a good idea to live there. And then we have the main bedroom in here.
Which is huge.
And it's really big. Yeah, this is way bigger than what we had in Medellin. And it's cheaper than what we had in Medellin too. Yeah. For way more peace and quiet. Medellin gets really, really noisy.
Because that view.
The view. Kind of like a chill. And then kind of like a chill area right here. You can like read a book. Bed. And we have like a second small balcony over here. in this amazing view back here. And you see they have a bunch of these units going up there. And then we decided to get workout equipment because just to go down to the town, it's 15-20 minutes from here. Like to get from the top of this mountain down to the main road is like 15 minutes. So we were like, why not just get, workout equipment? We just work out here. And then we have the walk-in closet here. All of Louisa's clothes. And then the main bathroom. And these ceilings are really nice because like it's vaulted or it's like going up, so it feels pretty big, And then show the shower. So yeah, it's pretty modern for what you get, $700. A lot of people think that Colombia is like third world, but actually Colombia and Medellin, like the amenities or like the quality of the furnishing, I think is way nicer than most things in the States.
Not only the furnishing, but the architecture in general.
Yeah, I guess architecture, like interior design. In Colombia, it's much, much nicer than what you see in the States. That's one thing that I don't really like about the US for some reason. It does not have good architecture. Like everything is like cookie cutter houses. The interior design is not that good. Medellin, you'll find like some of the best designers in the world here and artists. And so another good thing about living here is that you're like in nature and there's amazing trails close by too. So like going down there, 15-minute walk. There's a really nice waterfall down there. You have all kinds of hiking trails down here. And Colombia and like this region of Colombia actually has like the most diversity for birds and butterflies. And people come from like all over the world to see the nature here. So I guess comparing this to like the US, what you would get in the US, probably this would cost, I would imagine $2,000 in the US. It depends like where this would be in the US. But I would imagine like something like this rents costs at least $2,000 per month. So yeah, that's a really good benefit and plus of living in Colombia is like the cost of living, the quality of life that you get for how much you pay. It's a fraction of what you would pay in say Miami, New York City, LA. Also the amenities are really, really inexpensive, $100 a month. I think in the US, the average you'd probably pay about $300 a month. And in general, the cost of living is much lower too. Again, you can have a really good quality of life for very little. We spend about $2,000 a month, and that's a pretty good quality of life. We eat out quite a bit, live in a really nice place. Yeah, having a car is way cheaper, like everything. Taxes, if we own this place, property taxes are a fraction of what they are in the US. We have someone that comes and cleans for, what is it, about $15 per day? Yeah. So very affordable. You can hire a chef for $250 a month to cook 3 meals for you every single day.
Or chauffeur for $200.
Chauffeur. Yeah, it's crazy the kind of lifestyle that you can live if you have a little bit of money, if you make money from the US or dollars online or Airbnb like what we do. It's very easy to live in a country like this and very good quality living. And I think what we might try to do when we travel is put this place on Airbnb because we're going to be doing quite a bit of traveling very soon. And we might even move to Puerto Rico soon. We'll see. But yeah, so we might try to put this on Airbnb. I don't know how it would do with it being 50 minutes away from Medellin. It would probably do better as like a long-term rental, like a month by month.
For a particular person who likes nature.
Yeah, exactly. But I think if we put this on Airbnb, we could get 2,000. So if we did it month by month, probably about 2,000 per month. If we did short term, maybe a little bit more. But again, it might be difficult this location to do short term and get people out here for short term stays. That concludes the apartment tour. Let me know what you guys think of this place, if you guys would live here. And also if you're interested in living abroad, living a lifestyle like this, and how to generate income while you're living abroad, make sure you check out my website. I have some free resources on there. And also I offer one-on-one consulting. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.